SM po kami. Bibili po yung mga bata ng pang ano nila, pang graduation. Hindi ganyan, Paris. White. Wala, white. White dapat, white. Ay, tubig yan. Oh, careful. Magalit yung ano sa'yo. Oh. Sama po namin si Tita Camille.
Ganda to.
Mas- What's that? What's that? Tara, dun daw. Nag-ano po pala ngayon, Father's Day. Kumain kami dito sa may SM North. Yan po yung dalawa. 5 years old tsaka 4 years old. Hoy, dahan-dahan kayo dyan. Look, Ate Paula. Ate Paula. Ate Paula, look. Ate Paula, look, nandun si Pooh. Ay, wow, sino yan? What's that?
Pig.
What?
Wow, Papa Pig. This is Mouse, and this is Peppa Pig, and Magazagel.
Ay, may kilala ka dyan? Sino ulit yan? Sino yan?
Mazagel.
Si?
Mazagel.
Ma'am?
Mazagel.
Sino to, Wawish? Who's that?
Magazagel. And Mickey
Madam
Mouse
Gazelle.
and Peppa Pig.
Madam Gazelle. Eh, sino to? This one. Sino to, Paula?
Ow, tiger. Tiger. Look, there's a penguin.
Walang name yan?
I'll get it. Here you go.
Ilaglag po yung mic. Paris, ano yung favorite animal mo dyan? Favorite animal mo dyan?
I want to have the pink one. Pink one.
Anong animal yan? What animal is that?
He's cute.
Anong animal yan?
Hamster?
Dog yata yan eh.
I'm not sure. Come on, let's go check something.
Cut muna natin kung ano, kumaandar pa yung mic na bagsak eh.